Hi everyone, very exciting. Look what I got a box. Do you know what's in the box? Great, can't open the box. Yes. This is so exciting for me. This is basically, I don't need anything else now. I'm serious. Right, let's give you a clue. What do you think it is? I ordered a few bits, I must admit. But there's one thing in here that I am overly excited for. Hold on. Have you guessed what I am very excited for? The Vault palette. So this is the Vault, the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. Wish it came in the whole safe. So it comes, if you order the whole lot together, comes in a box with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill. Like the front there, I don't know if you see it, it's kind of got confetti and it's all little changes, different colours, all on the outside. So this has got Jaclyn's beautiful face on the back. And it says, when developing the Jaclyn Hill palette, I created so many different eyeshadows in my search for the perfect palette, narrowing it down to just 35 colours. So that is the original Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, which I do have, which is exactly the same kind of packaging, white with the silver writing. There were way too many gorgeous shades to eliminate at any of them. That is why I'm so excited to finally show you guys the other shades that were in the vault. Some beautiful formulas and pigmentation, but all different colours. It's like my palette had babies. I hope you guys love this collection as much as I do. I'm sure we will. Right, so I just opened it. Nicely bubble wrapped, and then you get them in a little box, little ribbon to be able to get them. So you've got the Dark Magic, which has got the cooler tones of thinking, Armed and Gorgeous, the Bling Boss, and Ring the Alarm. So you just pour these. Oh my god. So we're just going to look at the Dark Magic palette. I'm so excited for these. So it's got obviously a little mirror, this little thing which I never throw away, that protects things, protects my mirror, it protects the shadows, it protects everything. Don't throw it out, it's very precious. So I'm so excited. I choked. This one, Ring the Alarm. And obviously all the names are written. All the names are on the palette. This is the Bling Boss. These are all the purpley ones. I'm going out this evening, so I'll be using these beauties. And the last one is Armed and Gorgeous. Oh, I should really take that off, shouldn't I? I don't want to though. There you go. Oh, lovely. Right. I do want to swatch them, but I don't want to put my fingers in them. Oh, I have a whole problem with keeping things in its original state. So, I tuck all of my palettes into bed every single day. Every single time I use them, they get tucked away like the beautiful babies that they are. Right, let's have a look and see what else I purchased. I bought the Morphe and Bretman Babe in Paradise highlight kit. I'm sure everyone has seen this, but I needed this and I haven't seen it. So it comes again in some bubbly wrap. You get a special little fan brush, and then you get a cardboard palette inside all the beautiful paradise, and the writing is in like a metallic blue. There's all the colours. I purchased the Morphe gel liner in Jet. I also purchased the 8W Warm Master Palette, which is a blush palette. This just comes in the matte black with some shiny black detail on it. Once again, always packaged really nicely. And this is in a plastic with Morphe just right there. Some nice blush colours there. I was after a nice little blush palette. Because I just use the same blush, I haven't got many blushes. I use the same ones pretty much all the time. So it'd be nice to venture out a little bit and try some new. And I bought myself a little 12-piece Incredibles set. Comes in a little zipper bag with Morphe logo there, a little protective seal that I'm not going to remove. I'm sorry. So precious. Cool. I hate new baggies and stuff. So this comes with obviously 12 brushes, a little pencil brush, oh, that's quite a big beastie brush. Lots of blending brushes. I really thought I'd ordered the sponge, one of the sponges, but that is not in my little kit. So, boo. I obviously didn't order that.
So, I'm going to now drown you.
That's not nice, smells. I've got my towel. Right, let's do some swatches. We're going to do the Vault. Shall we do the Vault? Oh, God. I'm so excited. I've washed my handy pandies. Handy pandies are washed and are ready for action. Ew. Ew. Right. I know everyone's already had swatches and stuff like this. I will also add that these are really good to accompany the original Jaclyn palette. Right, so the first one we're going to go into is the Armed and Gorgeous. Oh my god, look, I've done that the wrong friggin' way. Honestly, why? What the hell? So that is VIP, Access, Guilt Trip, Coin, Agent, Top Secret, Smooth Criminal, Secure, Prowl, and then Classified. Right, so I want to put it more here, don't I? God's sake. I didn't even take a picture of that then either. Oh man. Right, now let's go into the Bling Boss, which is more of the purpley. So that is Bling Bling. That's nice. Hush Hush. Gem. Oh, that is a gem. Pizzazz. Ready? Gorgeous. So, Mystic.
Close it up.
Sparks. Glitz and Glam. And Rockstar. Oh my god, this one's amazing. And we've got Ballsy and Buried Treasure. That Ballsy comes out completely different to what I thought it would. It's a bit hard to see on this. That is a beautiful palette. 2 more to go. This one is Ring the Alarm. What's that? Lolly. Rush. On Camera. Oh, I like that. And Boom. Those wonky swatches. Right, so Alarm, Bombass, Siren, Mugshot. So I'm just going around just a couple of times. Right, this is Framed and Secret. That gold is delicious. Okay, and the last palette from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection that we're going to swatch is this one, which is Dark Magic. This one is the cooler toned. Okay, so we have Poof, which is skin colour, so you might not even be able to see that. Power Cut, Delicious, Shh, and Trickier. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. I don't need any other palettes in my life now. That is it. Okay. Division. Potion. Ooh. Busted. Inside Job. That potion didn't swatch quite as well as what I hoped it would be, but I reckon you could be able to build that and it would be nice. Right. Right. Mojo and Temptress. That is all shades from the Dark Magic palette. That, I love that palette. I know a lot of people aren't that keen on the cooler tones, but that is a lovely looking palette.